Maraming Pinoy fans ang talagang nabilib sa ipinakita ni Juan sa naganap na laban ng Pilipinas kontra Tall Blacks. Matapos nga itong makapagtala ng 23 puntos sa kabila ng pagiging replacement player niya para sa koponan. After netong palitan sa lineup si Scotty dahil sa injury.
Like what you said, I wasn't supposed to be here. I'm just an injury replacement, but you know, every time I get that call up, once I get an opportunity to play for Gilas, it's a no-brainer. You know, so I said, yeah, just trying to give my best 100% and do whatever it takes to help my team win. So we may have some lapses towards on the end, and definitely a lot to learn from this game.
Kung saan nilang araw matapos ang tapatan, hanggang ngayon napag-uusapan pa rin etong matuturing ng marami na maling desisyon na nagawa ni Cone sa huling mga segundo ng laban. Kaya naman sa naturang panayam, bahagyang dinepensahan ni Juan ang coaching staff ng Gilas.
I feel like that trust came from the work that I put in every day. As a whole as well, from the team, it all boils down to preparation. And I feel like we did a great job, especially the coaching staff. They did a great job with the game plan, and all we had to do is pretty much execute and just play our game. So, like you said, yeah, I'm grateful for the trust, and hopefully tuloy-tuloy na ito.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, sa magaganap na laban mamayang gabi ng Gilas kontra Australia, hindi nga makalalaro si Brownlee dahil daw sa kanyang multiple injuries. Kaya naman sa labang yan paniguradong magagamit etong willingness to help na sinabi ni Kiambao sa nakaraang panayam.
We have a great bunch of guys sa team na star players sa mga kani-kanilang respective clubs. So for me, I just want to be ano yung matutulong ko sa team under the triangle system. And yeah, and then as much as possible, kailangan namin tulungan si JB, si Brownlee. I mean, sobrang pagod na siya mentally and physically, and then yeah, ginagawa lang namin yung trabaho namin as a player and as a countryman.